Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we are working on the Acura Integra. So as you know, we had a dent in the back here, and we have Derek Smith from Accident, which I love the name, by the way. Kind of plays off the words, but the footage you're seeing today is he was working on the dent here using some of the glue pull techniques and try to get this dent out. unfortunately, I didn't think about this, but when we primered this, it took away all the sheer and the shine for him to be effective. So he did let me know the best thing to do is to get this painted, let the paint settle and dry, and then have him come back and he can fix to the fullest. Now he did take out most of the dent here, which is great, but you can still, he's not happy with it. So he's gonna come back and fix it and schedule some time. So Derek, tell me a little bit about you.
Yeah, so I'm Derek Smith. I'm actually a military veteran, so I'm military owned and operated.
Nice.
I'm out of Lake County, Florida. So if you guys ever have any dents, dings, or hail damage on your vehicle, just go ahead and hit me up and I can take care of it for you.
Oh, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this painted. It's gonna be a couple weeks because birthdays, you know, the wife is gonna want me to do something for an anniversary. It's 20 years this year. Can you believe that?
Long time.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get that. I'll schedule an appointment with you. Actually, guys, when I reached out to him, he was very responsive, responded, I believe it was like 7 or 8 in the afternoon. And he's like, yeah, just send me some pictures of the dent and we'll schedule some time. And he got back to me right away, got the appointment scheduled, and it worked out perfect. And he showed up on time on the day he was scheduled. So you don't see that a lot right now, right? You schedule appointments with people and sometimes they just don't show or lead you on. So I appreciate you. And you got a lot of good feedback on our Facebook page. So
yeah, absolutely. I appreciate that.
What's the best way to reach you?
So my phone number is going to be 352-455-5994. Or you can always reach me on Facebook. I have an Instagram, or hit me up on Yelp. Would be the best 3 ways. So
perfect.
Awesome. And
based on all the feedback I've seen, it's going to be all nothing but good feedback. All right. So next steps, I'm going to paint this car. We're going to go ahead and schedule some time for him to come back and fix this. And we'll go from there. I'll record that as well. So thanks, guys. You guys have a good one. Appreciate you. Bye.